We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up BLK. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bearish red doji cross and decisive. So we have to wait to see if that market's going to push up, push down, or consolidate, which is doing right now. Price action overall, we do have that high mark. Price action overall, lower lows, midpoint. Also adding second level highs, third level highs, and fourth level highs. So let's zoom in the price to see what's going on. So as I said before, price action, bearish red candle, doji, work his way sideways, could be coming from a pattern at that low for market to be pushing up. We do see that price action is on above a support line, which you're going to see that market pushes up or it's going to consolidate. If not, market could be coming from a pattern at that high. So market could be at the midpoint to push down further from a break and retest in that area. So let's talk about it. Price action 713.92. So if price work his way up, we are looking for price to tag that midpoint between both of the white SR lines, which will be tagging the second last candle wick. Price action pushes up, it can tag that market at 767.46. As price action draws down, we know that it can tag that support line in white at 701.61. If it does push down further, it can tag that midpoint of the next support line at 642.85. So let's zoom in the price. So let's check out what's going on in this area at the area of price. So we do know that price action has broken out midpoint line. So we identified the break and we identified the retest near that area if we add that to a zone instead of a SR line. So we can see that that market is identifying, so it's multiple pushes. So I pull back some more. So we have that break, multiple retests, so identified as the overall first, second, third. Market pushed up, so we have a double bottom. Came back to retest with the third last candle, fourth last candle. Came back to retest the previous side of that W formation, and we did receive a bit of a push in that market. So if we have a resistance, we have a support, we have a midpoint, we can see that price has broken that midpoint of that area, came back to retest. If it pushes down, it's coming from a pattern at that high, but if it works its way up, it'll identify as an overall first leg, second leg, third leg. We look for that market to identify that double bottom, for that market to work its way up. But just within price action low, it did receive multiple spike downs to the left side. So we have that first, second, third, fourth. So we have a double bottom formation already. Market broke second last candle, came back to retest. We're going to see if it's going to push up from a double bottom to retest just in that area. So if market pushes down from that high, we have multiple pushes to that high. So let's draw it out. Come up in green, we have that first leg, second leg, third leg. Market creates that double top at the high. Also the retest in here, but we're going to see it as an overall double top. Market create that fourth leg retest, one push. This is still an overall retest twice to see if it's going to push down for that second time. And if so, we're looking for a retest to see if it's going to push down to the next level for that third time. So market could be working its way down in for a downtrend direction. Why? The second last candle and the fifth to last candle has identified there's a double top in that area, because market did identify that break and retest, which will identify that first, second, third. Market can come down if we get the engulfment pattern to that second to last candle, which create that double top. And if it is respected at the support and pushes up, then that means it's coming from the pattern at that low, as we said before, with that double bottom. but mainly we see that price second, third last candle wick lost a lot of momentum to push down, showing that there may be a reversal. But overall, the market isn't a consolidation with the price second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, the last candle in the market. So this is a huge area of consolidation. Market broken two and just bouncing up and down. So we're waiting for that market to work its way out for that uptrend. Walking down to the weekly time frame, price action weekly time frame reading as a bullish green candle is a retest with the second last candle. Says read the overall market. Overall, multiple spike downs. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, double bottom, broke the midpoint line, came back to retest. Now we're looking for the engulfment area to see if it's going to push up from a double bottom and retest. If that market pushes down, and this on this weekly time frame is identified as the break, the retest, which would give us the first, second, third, fourth. So we already have a double top formation. Retest, market push one. So we have an overall triple top. That second last candle came back to retest that previous side, which would make it a triple top and a retest. And we're going to see if that market is going to push down with the bearish red candle, unless it creates more momentum on this side to push up. That's why we're looking for the engulfment to the last 3 to 4 candles in that market for that market to push up, down, or sideways. Headed down to the daily time frame. So price action. So market's getting choppy. It's going to get more choppy as we walk down. Daily time frame, price action, bullish green candle. What happened? Market spiked up, came back to retest multiple times, clear out double bottom. So we did receive that first, second, third. Market's trying to create that double bottom and push up to at least the midpoint. We can see market push up to. Then after that, we're looking for the break and retest for that market to work its way to close out that formation of that double bottom. Also, we know that we are on the SR line, so we're going to create a zone around that area when we get to the 4-hour time frame. If that market pushes down on the 4-hour time frame, we will see multiple pushes to that top. So let's grab our SR line area. A little bit above, a little bit below, creating that zone. Now let's take a look at what's happening in the market right above price action area. So market did spike up first, second, third, fourth. So we have a double top. Market came back to retest that double top with a double top and a retest, and the market pushed down. And we can see that price action came back to retest that midpoint of that previous side. So price action's tagging an area called within that zone second level lows. So we have higher highs, second level lows, midpoint. Higher highs, second level highs, midpoint, second level lows, bottom of the zone. So if the market doesn't break, it's coming down from a double top and a double retest. So we do know that as we walk down the time frame, price just broke a little bit of an area on second level highs. So we're going to identify what's going on in that time frame as we're walking down. We just received that break of that SR line. 3-hour time frame, clearly still see the break of that SR line. We have that first, second, third formation. We're still looking for the retest to that midpoint overall, or maybe to that second level highs for that market to push up. We don't know when it's going to happen, but the market is setting up for a retest. As we see, bearish red candle, market spiked up, came back to retest second level high so far. Same as well on the 1-hour time frame, breaking retest. 45-minute bullish green candle, same as well. So it's identifying a double top. So market spiked that top twice. Market's losing momentum, so it could be turning around for that retest. 30-minute time frame, same as well. We got levels, break, retest. Still looking for it to push up further with the bullish green candle. Price action, 15 minutes time frame, bearish red candle. So this area just consolidation, waiting for that breakout on this side. Headed to the 5-minute time frame, break it down, midpoint, high, support. Market's riding on top of that midpoint line currently. Same as the 3-minute time frame. And same as the one. We're going to see if we get that break. First, second, third, fourth, retest, market come down. If not, create that momentum and go up. BLK stock.